there any plans to make the festival go worldwide as well, taking inspiration from the likes of KCON and Korea Times Music Festival?
Thank you sa question. Actually, of course, why not? As the IME, as I said a while ago, we are a global promoter, well known doing concerts, and also, locally, if Araneta, Mawa Arena, we're done so much shows na dinadala namin yung mga K-pop and other international artists in the Philippines. And now, since the global team that we have noticed and parang nag-caught ng attention yung mga Philippine artists natin kasi di ba maraming nagsusold out na P-pop, even our own. And then hindi lang dito sa Philippines, also internationally, na talagang nakaka-sold out din. And from that, yun yung parang iniisip namin why we actually do this music festival. And then, hindi lang siya basta parang small time na pagsisimula. Because talagang yung kinather namin sa medyo mahabang proseso na pinag-isipan, pinagplanuhan, selections of the artists. So from this one, definitely bringing it to the global is one of our next plan. And this is like a start here in the Philippines.
So probably we can expect fans from even from outside the Philippines to go into this festival.
Yes, parang sila naman yung dumayo dito. Para sa Filipino pride.
Correct. Thank you so much.